Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter, and today I'll be showcasing the G6 action camera gimbal from Feiyu Tech. This is their unreleased version, so it should be coming out in about a week. This looks like a final production model, however, I'm not 100% sure on that. I got this a couple days ago from the NAB show, so we're here to check it out and show you what it has to offer. You have the joystick option here, power on, recording button. Then on this side, you can attach it to a tripod. There's also a tripod attachment on the bottom here. Comes with a 5,000 milliamp battery. This is the USB port. It's another button here. And then you have the tilting option, sliding switch, and then another button for selfie and or regular mode. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Hold down on that button. Okay, so now you can see how this is working here. You can use the joystick and move it up and down. And then when you move it as well, it moves. Fixed point in space, it'll pretty much always stay at that point. So then you can move it up if you want. With the joystick, I'm just using the joystick here to turn the gimbal as well. It's very fluid. There's like no noise at all, so you shouldn't be getting any vibrations and or noise in the video as well. Now this is just a dummy action camera with weight inside, but the real action camera, you can use about 6 or 7 different ones. Now that might be different when the G6 is finally released from Feiyu Tech in about a week. See, I'm actually turning the handle and it's staying in one spot, so that's pretty cool. And there, you can put it in different modes, so it stops locking on a point in space, and then it will bring it back with those 2 taps. So this is selfie mode. It's a triple press and a double press to bring it back again. Triple press, selfie mode, double press, regular mode as well. And it has a little miniature screen to show you what's happening with the gimbal. This is from Feiyu Tech. This is the G6 action camera gimbal. We really like the fluid motion of the gimbal. We like that there's no noise and no shake whatsoever from the internal motors. It can last up to about 8 hours. It has a 5,000 milliamp lithium ion battery that's internal. My name is Chris Roshna. Thank you for watching this video, and we appreciate positive comments. Please subscribe to the channel.